Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. And today I got my BOXYLUXE in the mail and I'm very excited to open it with you guys, so stay tuned. So hi, I got my BOXYLUXE. BOXYLUXE is new. This is the second time they have done it and I'm excited. I tried getting it the first time and I tried and could not get it, but I did get it this time and it is huge. This thing is huge. Mold membership is $21.99 and this is what you usually get. This little box right here. And this is $21.99, like I said. And this has 5 to 6 full-size products in it. So this box, which is, if you want to see a comparison, I think it makes the whole total around $50. So, but I'm very excited to get into this. I've been waiting. So let's open it up. So this month is called 'Tis the Season. So, and on the back, it tells you what's in the box and the prices of everything. And you get a bag. It looks like a little clutch. And it says Glam as F, which we all know what that means. So, and that's really cute. It's a little wristlet. And, oh, it has a battery charger in it. And that is what it looks like. And it says it's for Android or iPhone because it's got the adapters right there. It says the wristlet and the purple charger is $22. We got the Spongella sponge and this is worth $20. I have seen this on some of the add-ons for FabFitFun for $7, but I'll take it. I never ended up getting one. And that's what it looks like. And it's got the soap inside of it. Oh, it smells so good. So, ooh, this is pretty. And this is Pretty Vulgar setting powder. And this is the, oh, that's a really cute puff. Holy crap. I have a few Pretty Vulgar stuff. I have an eyeshadow palette. I have a blush. And I have an eyeliner. And I think I got them all in my BoxyCharms throughout the year. So, love it. Next, I got a palette. The Beauty Protege palette. And this MSRP is for $34. So you could have picked this palette or they had a little small flat iron and I didn't really need another flat iron. So, and this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can, there you go. And that is really pretty. I don't know if I want to swatch this or not. I might end up just putting this away for a giveaway for the near future. Because I have so many palettes and they start all looking the same. So, but it's a very beautiful palette. Next, I got, Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Holy crap. And this is worth $89. Now, this alone paid for the box. I mean, your box is $50. That is awesome. Let's see if we can get into this. Oh, that's a nice size bottle too. It's a white. Oh, and it smells good. It smells very fresh. It's got a little bit of flower scent to it, but it's not bad at all. And then we have this Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. And we'll see what the wand looks like. And this retails for $25. And next, oh, well, my favorite brand, Tarte. We ended up getting a Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. And I got the color Insta Famous. This is valued at $20. That is really pretty. Let me see if I can do a little swatcheroo. You really can't see it too much. But it is very, I don't know if you can see it. It is very, very pretty, very pretty. Ooh, this is what I've been waiting for. This is a Violet Floss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. And this is a reason that I want to put the other one away for a giveaway because this one pretty much has the same colors in it. If I can open. And that is what it looks like. Oh, it's pretty. It's heavy too. It's a nice palette. And it comes with a really nice mirror. I'm going to turn it over so you guys can see. Oh my God. Yes, that is absolutely gorgeous. And this retails for $45 too. So that is crazy. And the last thing in this box, I'm going to put the box on the floor, is this Luxie Gold Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. This is retailed at $65. Holy crap. So this box must be around, let's see, let's calculate it up and see how much everything is going to cost. Let me get on my phone. Let's do some numbers. So 89 plus 20 plus 45 plus 34 plus 65 plus 20 plus 25 plus 32 plus 22 equals, so this box is retailing at $352. And like I said, I only paid $50 for this box, so that's impressive. And anybody who wants to know, I did get number 1. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's in the corner. So I'm impressed. I'm in love with this, and I wanted to show you the brushes. And they come out like that. They are very strong though, smelling, but they're absolutely gorgeous. And it comes with this little stand so you can keep your brushes in there. Actually, that's a really good design. What's this one do? Oh, that is cool. See, it's like a little lipstick brush. So those are beautiful. Those are soft. I like those. I knew we were getting this palette, so I really wanted to play with this and try it on and see what it's like. So I'm going to start out with this Tarte paint and I'll put this on. It's really pretty. Yeah, you definitely need some type of top color underneath, because this is just a shiny feel and prime my eyes. This is one thing I absolutely love about makeup subscriptions. My BoxyCharm is absolutely my favorite, is because you really don't have to go out and buy makeup because you get it all, and it's so reasonable. So, oh, look at that. So it's like, let's look for a transition color. And what is it called? Transition. And I am going to start putting that on. There is a little bit of fallout in the pan, but it's not bad. And what I'm doing is, guys, don't forget to check out the video. I'm going to put it above. I do have a contest running right now where you can win the new James Charles Morphe palette. So just remember to look at that video. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment on the video. So I will say this palette is nice. It doesn't compare to that James Charles palette though. That one is so much better. And I am going to go in with the color. I feel like I always do the same looks all the time, constantly. Let's do a little pink today because I don't do a lot. So I'm going to take this Wine and Dine. See, there is some fallout on that. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner and pack that on. Still going to switch over to my other mirror. So I'm just going to sit here and blend away. It actually is blending out pretty nicely though. I'm going back in with that hashtag color again and put this blending some more. I'm going to be taking this color, How You Doing? How you doing? And going into there. And then just putting it in my inner lid. That in with the pink shade. I am going to take the color Ploof right here, and I'm going to use my finger and pack that Sometimes your fingers are your best makeup tools. I like this color. This is pretty. I am going to start smoking out the bottom eye. And I think I am going to go in with this color called Brownie Points and just grab a little bit of that. I'm going to take that Ploof color again, this one right here, and I'm just going to highlight that inner corner. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bow, so I'm going to take this crystal color and put that on top. And the fallout is a little bit on that. I'm just going back in with that transition color again, so there's no harsh lines. I'm going to stick some eyeliner on. And usually eyeliner always makes a look more complete. I'm going to try this new Grande mascara that we got in the box too. And see how that is. So since the year's almost over, what palettes have you guys fallen in love with this year? So I think my favorite palettes are, I love the James Charles palette. I'm still using that. And I still love my mermaid palette, Making Splash. I made a video on that and I will put it up here. And I also love the Born to Run palette from Urban Decay. That's been a really good palette too. Mascara I do like. It just comes out, like I said, when you first pull it out, it comes out in like these big lengthy chunks. So just be careful with that. But that was it for my BoxyCharm this month. What do I think it was worth the $50? Absolutely. Will I use this palette again? Yes, I haven't completely giving it a fair chance. I will play with it some more, and if I have to do an updated video, I will. For right now, it's okay. I've had better, but like I said, it's worth it. So you got so much stuff in this box for $50. So, but I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.